You won't believe this simple hack that turns any diabetic coleslaw recipe into a fat-burning machine. Prepare to be floored by this hack. It's with one of these ingredients. We have our coleslaw mix, which is our chopped up cabbage. Again, you can get this at pretty much any grocery store. Sour cream. We have some light mayo. Y'all know I like to save calories. Greek yogurt. This is the hack, y'all. I'll tell you how in a second. Celery salt. Now, this is the Walmart brand, great value. Just check that ingredient on the label. Make sure it's celery salt, and that is it. I did have some seasoned salt. You know, I'm more of a Tony's Light girl. I do want to explain to folks, this is where you can use your own seasonings. Grab your bowl, measuring spoons, a measuring cup. You see my stuff doesn't match. Yours doesn't have to. Keep calm and bake on spatula and some tongs. We're going to do this like I was taught in my 4-H days, and we're going to make our dressing first, and then we're going to pour our vegetables in, which is actually going to help to coat it better. And I want to know in the comment section if you were a 4-H'er. I was, and it's how I got my career started. You are going to go ahead and grab that sour cream, measure out 1/3 of a cup. Now, sour cream, I do love it. You know, it's low carb, but it lacks what our hack lacks that I'm going to show you in a second. We're going to go ahead and stir in 1/3 of a cup. So 1/3 cup sour cream, 1/3 cup of our light mayo. Y'all know I'm a calorie saver. I think one of the biggest issues I've had with keto, and when folks come into my clinic talking about keto, and hey, if you're new here, I'm Shelly. I'm a dietitian. Dietitian Shelly. I'm the author of the Skinny Louisiana series. Obviously, I live in Louisiana, work as a dietitian during the day, helping folks lower their blood sugars. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. But like I was saying, I like to save calories. I found sometimes we went a little too crazy with the condiments. So we're going to dial it back and add this hack, which is your Greek yogurt. This is plain Greek yogurt. You can replace, I teach this to all of my patients, y'all. You can replace half the amount of mayo and half the amount of sour cream in any salad recipe. That includes diabetic low-carb recipes. The Greek yogurt has protein in it. We need protein for weight loss. It keeps our blood sugar stable, number one. It's going to keep us fuller longer. It's going to keep us paying attention. Do this hack now. It will not taste tangy, I promise. If you replace it all with Greek yogurt, yeah, we might get a little tang wang, and we may not like that. So half of it. Do this hack now. Do this with all of your recipes. Add to this a teaspoon of your celery salt. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of my Tony's Light. And this is where I get a lot of questions. Can I use salt-free? Can I use Mrs. Dash? Can I use this? Can I use that? And the simple answer is yes. Y'all, I'm Cajun. It is very hard for me to measure spices. You see, I'm a little bit on the struggle bus. I like to shake, 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 shake Sonora. Shake it all the way down. Haha, name the movie that's from. But in all honesty, y'all, use what works for you. This is very important for me to tell you this. You stir in the dressing together. Now this is back to the 4-H hack. I'm going to pour half the bag of that coleslaw mix in here, of that cabbage mix in here. And then I'm going to coat it. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to coat it for me. And I have to agree, I think this works really, really good. And once that's coated, once that's stirred in, we got this weight loss winner, this high protein, this great hack. Stir in the rest of it. Stir in the rest of it. Now this can be used for so many different ways. Of course you could serve this as a side salad. Of course you could add some chicken to it and it could be a wonderful lunch meal. Of course you could put this on your Mission Carb Balance wraps with some blackened fish or tuna or turkey or what have you not. Use this salad so many different ways, y'all. Start using this hack. It is a great one. If you want more tips and hacks, how to change any recipe to a diabetic-friendly recipe, let me know in the comments. I am working on a huge video. If that's something you want, comment baking for me. I would really appreciate it. And y'all, I'm Dietitian Shelly. I want you to serve this to all your friends. I want you to make this. I want you to use this hack. I want you to like this video. I want you to subscribe and share it. Share the wealth. And be sure, gang, to have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.